Okay, good morning, students. So only
Good morning, sir.
pupils are there. Remaining are sleeping, just sleeping. So it's very bad that your half yearly is about to come and you people are just sleeping. It's not good for you people. Okay, so inform to others. Uh, be attentive in class and they should be present in class. And one more thing I saw that you people didn't watch the previous videos. I was just seeing only means 20 or 30, 35 waves were there. I think you people are nearly 60 or greater than 60. Okay, you should see that videos. Then only you can understand well. Okay. So it's a request to all of you. Please go through the videos. Okay.
Sir, I have seen.
So it's not only the individual person. I'm talking to the whole class. The whole class. So everyone should respond like this, na? That I have gone through the video. But it's very bad manner. It's a very bad practice. At least you should go. That is for you only. Otherwise, there is no need to record. If I am getting live here, then there is no need to record that video. It's only for you people, na? Okay. So coming to that question, so where I left yesterday. So how many people have solved that question? Yes, let me know. How many
Are
yes. So coming to that question, so that question was, suppose you have given a circle. The circle was given, na? And let's say this was the center, this was the radius. I told you that find average speed from A to B. This was the question. And the time period. And the time period was your capital T, isn't it? So for the average speed, what you can see from here, the average speed will be this will be 3 by 4th of what? T 2 pi r, na? Circumference. So this will be 3 by 4 of what? 2 pi r divided by time. So you should aware of this. If capital T is a time period of whole, capital T is a time period. I have given capital T as a time period now. Just see that I have given the capital T as a time period. Please let me know. So whether I'm audible or not, you people are just not responding anything.
hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Let me know. I have given the T as a time period. T as a capital T as a time period, or what time I have given? आप लोगों ने क्वेश्चन नोट भी किया था?
Yes,
sir.
So then let me know na what was capital T.
Sir, can I dictate the question?
Yes, sure.
Sir, find average speed and average velocity of a particle travels in a circle of radius r and 3 by 4th part of circle in time t, capital T.
In time capital T. Then it's okay. Then it will be okay. So you can write here the average speed. Average speed will be your. This is basically you will just cancel out. It will become d by 2 pi r divided by capital T. So this will be the average speed, isn't it? This will be average speed. For average velocity, what you can write for average velocity? Average velocity. So this will be your displacement from A to B. So this displacement is going to be, that is r root 2. R root 2 will be the displacement. You know the displacement will be like this, na? This will be the displacement.
Yes, sir. R root 2 upon T.
Yeah, this is displacement, and you can just divide by T. So this will be the answer.
सर हम एवरेज वेलोसिटी यही बताए थे सर.
Actually, I was thinking कि T was the time period, but I have given T as a time taken to travel. Okay.
I will talk you later.
Is it?
यस सर. ओके सर. सर मैं यही बताया था सर, एवरेज वेलोसिटी बताया था, एवरेज स्पीड नहीं सॉल्व कर पाए थे.
That's correct. That's correct.
I will talk you later.
Who is that? Nishant Kushwaha. What's going on?
Sir, he is talking in mobile phone with someone else.
Please be sure, if you are in my class, then you should be very attentive. You people are not just doing the questions. I will see the notes tomorrow, whatever I have done so far. I will be seeing
Yes, sir.
individual person. The
Yes, sir.
notes offline. Whatever I taught, that is your dimensional analysis, error analysis, and will have started the motion in straight line. I will see the whole part in your copy. I will focus the camera to your notebook, and I will see that. Means I will go through each and every copy. So be
Yes, sir.
about this. Okay. Coming to the next part. that is
Yes, sir.
acceleration. What is acceleration? How we can calculate the acceleration? Now I think you don't have any problem regarding the visualization. Now it will be very clear on your screen.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Very, very clear, sir. Very, very clear.
Okay. So just coming to the acceleration. What is basically acceleration? We'll see that, and how acceleration is used to calculate it, and then we'll come to the graphs. Okay. So coming to the next page. Okay. So acceleration. So you can write here the rate of
Change of velocity.
change of velocity. Change of velocity, or you can
Velocity.
say change in velocity. Change in velocity in 1 second. Whatever there will be change in velocity in 1 second, that will be known as your acceleration.
Acceleration.
If you are saying that a person was moving in a straight line, so here at t is equal to t1, the velocity was v1, and at t is equal to t2, the velocity becomes v2. Okay. So in this case, what will be your acceleration? You can write here, the acceleration can be written as v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1.
T2 minus T1.
So
T2.
this will be your formula of
Yes, sir.
And one more thing you should know about the acceleration. What is that?
Delta V upon delta T.
Yeah, that can be written. A is equal to, this will be your delta V upon delta T. One more thing you should put here. This is a vector quantity. Acceleration is a scale.
A is equal to V2 vector minus V1 vector. सर ऐसे भी होगा ना?
Yes. So we can write here the acceleration is vector quantity. So we'll see how we used to do the mathematical operation on vector quantity. We'll see these things. Okay. So when we'll study the vector, then we'll see what can be done. Okay. So this is about your acceleration. So acceleration will be always calculated with the help of change in velocity per second, not change in speed. Okay. Whenever they are saying that object is moving in a straight line. So if there is a case of a straight line, then whatever speed will be there, that will be equal to the velocity. Okay. So speed and velocity will be same. Okay, coming to the graphs. So acceleration, you know, it's a vector quantity, then it can be positive, 0 or negative. Means
Negative.
yes, if acceleration is negative, it means what? This is going to be retarded. Means अगर acceleration को आपको समझना हो तो आप कैसे कहेंगे? You can just say whatever change will be there in a velocity in 1 second. Let's take one example. Suppose a motorcyclist was moving that having a velocity 20 meter per second. In next 1 second, it achieves the velocity of 25 meter per second. So in a 1 second, it gains the velocity of 5 meter per second. So the 5 meter per second square will be the acceleration of that object. So unit of this acceleration you can write.
Meter second square.
Yes, this will be your meter per second square. So this is the SI unit. I am talking about your SI unit. SI unit will be meter per second square. Is it clear? So now coming to the graphs. Okay. So graph will
Yes, sir.
first we'll discuss about the position time graph. Then we'll discuss about the velocity time graph. Then we'll go through the acceleration graphs. We'll see, and we'll see what information can we withdraw from the graphs. Okay, what information we can draw from the graph. So let's see one question. Oh, means position time graph. This is a position time graph. So the first graph is this one. So this is your position and this is your time. So we can represent position as a x and time as a t. Let's say you are saying that this graph is this one. So you can see from here. You can
Yes,
see
sir.
from here if this is the graph and if it have a time t1
Uniform speed, sir.
and this is the position. Let me describe you x1 and at time t2 the position is your x2.
X2.
So one thing you should remember that the slope of position time graph. What? Slope of position time graph. Position
Slope of, yes sir, position time graph. VT, give acceleration.
time graph gives speed or velocity. Speed or velocity. Be careful about this. Speed or velocity. When you are talking about a straight line motion, then whatever speed will be there, that will be equal to the velocity. You can see from here this graph. From this graph, what you can see. Let's see. This is a theta. Okay, the tan theta or the slope. Slope can be written as a tan theta. And
Yes sir, tan theta is equal to P upon B.
this will be your tan theta is basically your perpendicular upon base. This is base. Okay, and this base is the T2 minus T1, and this perpendicular is your x2 minus
X2 minus X1.
So tan theta can be written as x2 minus
X2 minus X1 upon T2 minus T1.
Exactly. This is a basically this is a slope of the graph. So you can write speed or you can write here the velocity because it's a straight line motion graph. So this will be delta x upon delta t, isn't it? So this will be your delta x upon delta t. One more thing you should see it. If theta is less than 90 degree, then slope will be your positive. Slope will be your positive. And you can see one more thing. that theta is going to be constant at every step. So you can write here the theta is equal to constant. So if theta is constant, then tan theta will be also constant.
Constant.
So if tan theta is constant, then speed is going to be constant. Speed is going to be constant, and you can say this is basically graph of what? Uniform speed. This is graph of what? Uniform speed. This is the information regarding this graph. What are the information regarding this graph? The position time graph. The position time graph gives, the slope of position time graph gives the speed or velocity, and you are saying that the theta is less than 90, hence the speed is positive, or you can say the velocity is positive, and you are also seeing that the theta is going to be constant, then tan theta will be also a constant. So your speed is going to be constant. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Should we go
Yes,
to
sir.
another graph?
Yes, sir. Position time.
Okay, so that was the graph, and now coming to the second graph, that is a position time graph. Once again, this is xt, and this graph is like this. So you can see slope of graph is 0. Slope is
Yes,
what?
sir. Theta 0.
Yes, theta
Speed equals to
is
0.
always calculated from the horizontal. So slope is 0. So tan theta is also your 0. So you can say the speed is 0. Then you can say body is at rest.
Is in rest position.
Yes,
Yes,
the
sir.
body is at a rest. Is it clear or not? Then you can say body is at
Yes,
Our
sir.
body is doing Vishram.
body is at a rest. Okay. So coming to the
Rest position.
another graph. So this third graph. So this is the graph, and this is your x, and
Theta is not constant.
you can see here
On uniform speed.
this is theta, but now here the theta is just increasing. So you can write here
In this graph, theta is increasing.
theta is increasing. If theta is increasing, you should remember
Tan theta also increasing. Slope is also increasing.
tan theta increases, then the slope
Slope is also increases.
increasing. This is up arrow is a sign of increasing. So you can say
Yes, sir.
the speed or velocity is going to be increasing. Speed is also increasing. And one more thing you can see, the theta is less than 90. So speed will be your positive. This speed will be your positive. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we have studied so far, we have gone through the three graphs. One was your uniform motion. This is graph of increasing speed. This is a graph of non-uniform speed. This is graph of what?
सर इस ग्राफ में हम टेंजेंट भी बना सकते हैं ना?
Yeah, we can find out the instant speed and all those things. Okay, so we can find. We'll go through that questions, but just what information we can withdraw from this graph, that only I am telling you. Okay. Okay. So you can write here the non-uniform speed, because the speed is increasing. Okay. Now coming to the fourth graph, means fourth graph, the next page. Are you people are writing these things or not? Just listening these only.
Yes, sir. Right.
Writing, sir.
I think, sir.
I will see tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute, sir.
Have to wait. Yeah, it is this.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Wait a minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Our speed also should be increases, sir, in writing.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes.
So improve your
Yes, sir.
grammar.
Okay. Coming to the next graph.
बचपन से ही ग्रामर खराब है.
XT, and now look at
The
this.
slope is decreasing.
Yeah, exactly.
Theta is also decreasing.
Here the
And theta is also decreasing.
theta is max here, and at this point,
Theta is minimum.
Minimum.
the minimum. So you can write here theta decreasing.
Slope decreasing. Tan theta also decreasing.
Slope decreasing. Tan theta also decreasing. And you can write
Also
here the
decreasing.
speed or velocity also decreasing. Okay, speed or velocity also decreasing. So one more thing you can see, the theta is less than 90. Theta is less than 90.
Less than 90.
Speed or velocity is
Positive.
be positive. It will be always positive.
Hmm.
So it's a graph of
Yes, sir.
non-uniform speed, non-uniform
Speed.
speed. So non-uniform speed is nothing. You can say it a decreasing speed graph. Decreasing speed graph. Become clear or not? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
So till now, what we have studied in a graph. This is a fourth graph. So in this case, we are just seeing that theta is going to be decreased. Okay, the slope is also decreasing. So tan theta is also decreasing. So speed or velocity will be decreasing, but speed will be positive. Decreasing, but it will be positive. And it's a graph of non-uniform speed, or you can say decreasing speed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming to the next graph,
Yes.
next position time graph. Should we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is X, this is your T, and let's see this graph. Okay, in this case, you can see here, theta is greater than 90.
90. Negative.
Yeah, so tan theta will be your negative. And you can
Yes, sir.
also think that theta is constant here. Theta is constant. So tan
Constant.
will be constant.
Also constant.
Constant.
So speed will be
Constant.
Constant. Yes, sir.
yeah, is equal to also constant. Okay, and speed velocity is constant. You can also see the velocity in this case is negative. Okay, this is also
Yes, sir.
of uniform motion, but speed is negative. Uniform motion, but velocity is
negative.
Negative.
Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this are the 5 types of graph. That was first was body at rest. Second was body was moving with uniform speed, but velocity was positive. and third, fourth was increasing and decreasing speed, and the fifth one is your means theta is negative, but uniform motion is there. Okay. So coming to the another type of graph, let me check you whether what you people are just getting from this graph or not.
सर इसमें
Yes,
स्लोप
sir.
इंक्रीज होगा ना?
Pardon?
स्लोप इंक्रीज होगा ना सर इसमें?
इसमें स्लोप कांस्टेंट होगा बच्चे. लेट्स सी दिस. इट इज जस्ट लाइक लैडर. आप सीढ़ी को कोई रख देते हैं तो क्या होता है, कुछ इसी तरीके से तो होता है,
कांस्टेंट होता है.
कांस्टेंट होता है.
यस सर.
The slope will be always constant. So if slope is constant, then your speed or velocity is going to be constant. Okay?
कांस्टेंट.
Yeah.
यस सर.
So coming to the another aspect of this graph. So can anybody tell what information we can draw from this graph? And what information can we draw from with this graph?
Sir, shall I tell, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, in first,
Yes.
In
In first.
graph, sir, means speed velocity is 0.
No.
So because increasing and sir time is at rest.
No. Anyone
sir,
else?
in first graph, sir, time is constant.
That t is equal to x square.
No. not
Sir,
at-
sir, graph is wrong, sir.
Yes. Himanshu,
Because of sir,
Himanshu is correct. Yes. Give me explanation, Himanshu.
Sir,
because at
these
time,
three
sir,
graphs are not possible, sir.
sir, because at
Time
zero
cannot
time
These
we
three
are
graphs
not
are not
traveling.
possible.
Sir, it is not possible, sir. And
So-
second is sir also wrong.
What about
I am Suman, sir.
Sir,
What-
sir, all three graph are wrong, sir.
no? Not all three graphs are wrong.
Sir, third
Sir,
one
third
is
Third one is correct.
correct, sir.
Yes. Let me describe you the first and second
Sir,
one.
should I explain, sir?
Telling.
Sir, first one wrong because at a time, sir, there is at
The
zero
third
time
one is negative
no
acceleration.
distance
Sir,
will
it is
not
not
cover.
possible that timing. Sir, that
Look
Sir,
here.
it is not possible at zero time distance covered
Yeah.
by body.
Let's see here.
And
Time can't
And
be
sec-
constant. This graph is showing that time is constant and position is just changing. So this is not possible. We can just keep the time constant. Whether it is possible,
Yes, sir.
and
yes,
yes,
sir.
and sir, second one,
it's not possible to take the time constant. Time can't be constant. And what about this graph?
sir, because sir, time never
Time cannot.
matlab,
Yes, sir. Sir,
Sir,
time, sir, can't
sir,
be
time
reversed,
will
sir.
not
It
remit,
can't go
sir.
back, sir.
the time will not reverse.
No, you just see here. It is graph showing that you can't have a position, two different position at the same time. So this
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
at a particular time you have a two different position. Whether it is
Yes,
possible,
at
No, sir, it is not possible.
so this is also
That
not.
at one time you are present
Not
in school
possible.
and home also.
It is not possible. So the about two graphs are not correct, but this graph is correct. Yes, you can
Yes,
have.
sir. Negative acceleration.
Yes, in this case you can have a same position at different time. Okay. So this is basically
Yes, sir.
repetitive graph. Means from where you have started, you have you just reached to the that place. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
the second graph will be possible. This is correct, but these graph is not correct. The explanation for the first one is that time can't be constant, and the explanation for the second one is at a one time you can't have a more than one position. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming to the
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
coming to the velocity time graph. velocity time graph.
Time graph.
So once again, we are going to discuss that 5 graph. This graph, this is your V, and this is your T, and this is your second graph. This one graph, and here will be third graph. This one, and here will be the fourth graph. And here is your sixth graph. So
Sir, fifth graph.
yeah, fifth graph. All are your velocity time graph.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me describe you. The slope of velocity time graph gives the acceleration.
Acceleration.
Yes. Slope of VT graph gives acceleration. Slope of VT time gives your acceleration. So you can see here, 0 here. The slope is 0.
0.
So acceleration of this graph will be also 0.
0.
But velocity is going to be constant. In this case, the velocity is going to be constant.
Constant.
Okay? The velocity is going to be constant. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Velocity is going to be constant. So in this case, what you can see, this theta is going to be constant.
Yes, sir. Theta is constant. Slope is constant. Tan theta is constant.
Constant. Okay? So if tan theta is constant, then acceleration is going to be constant.
Constant.
But velocity is changing linearly. So this is a uniform acceleration graph. This is what? Uniform acceleration graph. So uniform acceleration is between the V and T. So you can see here, and one more thing you can see, the theta is less than 90. So your acceleration will be positive here, positive constant. Okay? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in this case, you can see the theta is just increasing.
Theta is
Here it is 0.
variable.
Here it is about to 90, but not means 90. It is less than 90. So in this case, you can write theta is increasing. So tan theta will be also your increasing.
Increasing. Slope is also increasing.
Acceleration is,
Acceleration is also increased.
yes, and theta is less than 90. Hence, this
And
will
it is positive.
your positive acceleration. Okay? This will be your positive acceleration. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
In the similar way, you can write for this also. There the theta is decreasing and tan theta
Yes,
is
sir.
also decreasing.
Decreasing.
Acceleration is going to be decreasing.
Decrease.
But theta,
But it is positive.
theta is less than 90, so acceleration will be positive.
Positive.
In this case, you can say the theta is greater than 90.
90.
So theta is constant here. So acceleration
Tan theta constant.
is constant, tan theta constant, but acceleration will be negative in this case.
Negative.
Okay. So actually time is going to be over. Anytime the Zoom can just over the meeting. Okay. So that's why I have just completed this part. So I have gone through the velocity time graph and speed time graph. And tomorrow I will see the notes of each and individual person. Then I will go ahead. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's meet.
Okay, sir.
tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, this graph you will also say.
Yeah, I will see these things. Okay.
Yes.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
that's it.
Bye.